Guess what? Another Gino gem where I show you one awesome gem today. This is how to chart the option price. And take it a step further, let's chart some spread prices. You know, there's a lot of reasons we do this, guys. And this was sent in by one of our followers, our pro members, asked me a question. You guys, you can do that too. So email us team@tacticaltrading.com or hit the link below to subscribe to Gino's Gems, because this is a great Gino gem here that a lot of people don't know about on Thinkorswim platform. You know, I'm just pulling up a stock here. Reason why I want to look at a chart is to see the price action and trend and tool, you know, setups, trend, setup, trigger points, swing low, swing high on a stock. Like here's Apple. And here's the Apple breakout on July 20th, a pullback, swing low. Here's earnings on July 27th. That's great. But sometimes you're like, okay, if I go into the options, is there a way to, you know, can I chart this option price down here? How do you do that? And yes, a few softwares out there will let you chart the option price, but you can also chart the spread price. So, you know, I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to mark down why I do that, because I'm looking at the price of the option to see how it moves, just like a stock. But also you can use it for back testing. That's right. So let me go look at those two dates again. That was July. So I'm looking at a chart, you know, and I'm looking at, just as an example, looking back, or if you want to look forward, you can look at the price. But July 20th was a breakout. So I probably would have bought a call, you know, or seen how that call. So prior to that call, that was the 150 price right there. It's trading below, you know, right at 150. Then on earnings, it was what? 155-ish. So what did that call do? How did the price move? Because, you know, it was a bullish move. So I'm going to just go over here. How do I do this? You simply go to trade, look for the option you want to buy, and or the one you would have bought in the past to back test. You right click on it. Down here, you got two choices. You can send it to Thinkorswim charts and hit the highlighted chart, and that should put it on your chart. Or if you have it set up to a certain color for your charts, I'm just going to send it to my default charts here. Now, notice what it says. It says send .aapl22. That's the option, a symbol down here. Just send it to the chart, and you'll notice up here something pretty cool. That is the option symbol right up there. See that? That's the option symbol. And then, of course, I'm still in the chain, so I have to go over to charts. There it is. There's the option. Now, where's July 20th? Right here, there's the option price. It was roughly, oh, I don't know what, $10, $11 back then. And here's July 20th. Look at that. So the option went from about 1140 up to about 1320. That's the price of the call. And what's this purple line right here? What's this purplish line right here that's overlapping it? That is not a moving average. That's the theoretical price based on all the, you know, Black-Scholes formula and everything, that what the price theoretically should have been. But you can see it trades below it, the theoretical price, then it jumped above it. So you can see compared to its theoretical price, if it's trading above it or below it. You know, it's kind of like, that's a whole different class, but it's kind of like what it should be. So you can see if it's trading above the theoretical or below it. Now, that's what it did on July 20th. So you can see, yeah, it actually, the stock broke out, but it only went to 1320. It was a $2 gain. And you kind of see how it does swing lows too. It's in a channel here because it's following the stock. Now, what if you're an Apple and you go, okay, now what about earnings? Can I do a spread? You can put a bull call in here or straddle. And I'm just going to say, okay, here's earnings right here on what, July 27th. So let's say I bought a straddle before there, somewhere around 150. We'll just call it 155. I go to the option chain. Here's the trick. Here's the gem. Here's the hack. Change it right here in the template. Go to, let's say, whatever spread you want. It could be a butterfly, vertical, whatever. I'm going to go to straddle. And where's that 155? It's right there. See that? So no matter if you buy on the straddle, they ask, they're both the same. I'm going to graph that straddle. I right click. Now check it out. Down here, it says the call and the put with the plus sign. Now, if I'm doing a vertical, it's going to say the call and the long call and the short call, it'll say minus. But anyway, I'm going to send that to my chart. Give it a second, and you can see it's up there. There's the symbol. You put it on the chart. There's the price of your straddle. So it's kind of like back testing. Here's July 27th right here. How did the straddle do? Well, it jumped up between 21.20 and 16.50. So very volatile, of course. That's your price, your straddle right there, moving up and down. And real quickly, if I go back, just because this is fun, what if I did a vertical? What if I did a vertical spread? You got to do it up here. I'm going to do a vertical like I'm going to spread it out and do it like 2 strikes wide or 3 strikes wide. There you go. How did the 155 by 170 vertical do on those days? Right click, send to charts, and check it out. It's putting the call minus the other call, 155 minus 170. It's charting the price for you. So after earnings, here's the spread price. It was a $6 spread that got all the way up to $14. Guys, there's a lot to this, right? But yes, you can graph the option price, and yes, you can graph the spread price just by going and creating that spread through the template and graphing it. So if you like Gino's Gems and you don't want to miss out on all the future ones coming up, because we do this every week, please hit that subscribe button below, and I'll be sending you more hacks, more gems to help your trading day. Again, this is trading coach Gino Poore, tackletrading.com.